Hey everybody, and welcome to a Legoville unbagging video. What kind of unbagging video? I mean, here is the Looney Tunes collectible minifig series, limited edition 12 to collect, and we're going to be doing an unbagging of all 16. That's 16, the limit I can actually order from Lego.com, and let's see how close I get to making a full set. So, let the fun begin after the jump. Hey everybody, and welcome back to After the Jump, and here we go. I mean, this is going to be 16 bags opened, which should be fun in itself, right? But don't worry, I'm not going to make you sit through all 16. We are going to speed up the video later on as we start going through it. The hope is, the 16 maximum I could actually order from Lego.com, we will get a set, or as close to a set as we possibly can. But first off, the only way we're going to start this off is if we open the first bag. And I'm just going to clear my screen here so we can take the bulk off here. This is the first one we're going to open. Is this one going to be here, and we're going to see what's going to happen. So, bring on the camera. There it is. Let's see what the first opening of the CMF Looney Tunes minifig set will bring me. I'm kind of hoping for a lot of Wile E. Coyote because I kind of like that guy. He's actually one of my favourite characters in the actual Looney Tunes verse. So let's see what happens. First one open. And we have the Taz. We have Tasmanian Devil. That is kind of cool. So what we need to do is quickly open this up because I'm going to need one of these so we can mark these off as we go. And we're just going to go and see what happens next. There we go. There he is. Oh, Wiley himself. There's Taz just there. And we have this guy just here. I know I brought a pen down, so we'll mark him off, but I'll go quickly. It's interesting. So you go in there like so. Or does the base go underneath that? No, he goes in the base. Okay. So, let's build me Taz. It's got the medium legs here, so look, they bend. That's pretty neat. Get his face on. Holy crap, these heads are huge. I'm going to go like this. Get a pie in one hand. And the guy in him. And just bring him up so you can look at him. Yeah, lighting isn't the best in the world, but I'm still working on that. But there we go, that's Taz built. Goes in his wooing base, which obviously clicks like so. So we can we spin him? Can we spin him like Tasmanian Devil? Let's find out. That's my Tasmanian Devil impression. I know. Suitably unimpressed. Let's put that underneath there. Like so. That's number one to the set. Get the pen. Get the set. Make the X. Right. Let's go through the one more bag, and then we'll start speeding these mofos, right? Here we go. Who's going to be in bag number 2? I'm really hoping for Wile E. Coyote. PB Wile E. Coyote. Peace be Wile E. Coyote. No, I got a Daffy. So let's build me Daffy up quickie. Actually, look pretty good with my ducktail crawl, I think, actually. Very basic bodies, no printing on them. But these heads are amazing. Wow. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Of course, eventually these guys are going to find their way down into Legoville itself. So that's be pretty neat. There we go. We'll put Daffy here with Taz. And we'll put Daffy here. And we'll mark him off on the sheet, like so. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you guys sit through every single unbagging though. I can feel your on tender hooks there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do basically a little speed building. So, so far we have Daffy and we have Taz. I have 2, no duplicates so far, and I have 10 left to go. So, let's start opening some more bags and see what we get. Well, there we go. I just opened 16 Looney Tune minifig bags. And out of 16 bags, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the Looney Tunes. Roadrunner. Tweety Pie. Daffy, which actually looks pretty cool, actually. Bugs. Taz. Petulia Pig, odd choice, but still a good one. And of course my favourite of the lot, which is basically Wile E. Coyote. And yeah, so that's 7 out of 16. That's just ordered directly from Lego.com. That is my maximum life limit I can get for the Looney Tunes CMFs on that side. And I've got 1, 2, 3 Daffys, another Taz, 2 Wile E. Coyotes. Yep, 2 of them. Tweety Pie and a Petulia Pig and a Daffy Duck as all my extras, which will basically slowly and surely make their way into my minifigs in one shape or form. So, there you go. 16 bags opened. 7 non-duplicates. I'm going to be continuing until I get this set. I think 7 out of 16 is not too bad since I didn't have a chance to fill any of the bags. And I think, you know, I've got some good hitters here as well, so I'm just going to move my camera so you can see them a bit better. There we go. There we go. So that's not too bad a start. Well, I'd have got Lolo as well. That would have been pretty much good to get this first one, I think. And I really wanted Marvin the Martian. However, there we go. 16 bags open, and I have a lot of duplicates to play with here, but it should be fun. That should be fun. Anyhow, this is Nick Davis on behalf of LEGO saying, that's all, folks. Bye-bye-bye.